What are the common pitfalls or mistakes you see organizations perhaps repeatedly make when it comes to securing identities and utilizing identity data?
I think, I suppose the key theme, the root cause is often it's fragmented data and incomplete and, poor data hygiene. We need to do the same with identity data. We're using it to make really critical decisions on access. And if we get that wrong, the impacts, as we see in the news every week, can be catastrophic. So we really need to, get the data clean, keep it clean, and use it as a resource. Once you've got clean identity data and you can start to use it for much more dynamic access decisions, it just makes the whole thing easier. The operational side, the compliance side, demonstrating that you're compliant and that the access is correct. And even things like making sure that, titles and so on are correct in inboxes. We've worked with clients where those attributes, they might flow from an HR system or a credential system, but sometimes those things allow you to check out like safety equipment, or they allow you to go and work on a piece of equipment because it's saying you are currently certified, you passed your exams for this year to do that. Or in some cases, it allows you to access medical records. So those attributes, and keeping those attributes clean so we can make trusted and, decisions that we can later prove in an audit were accurate and correct is really, really important.